And of course it went off again. I think it might have been the alarm that I had set on there that kind of messed with that a little bit. All right. Let's play with the shovel. Make sure I don't disturb that guy over there. Ooh, get you in there. Ooh. Right, just sitting in there nicely. Come on. There you go. I can bring you up out of there a little bit. A little bit more soil under there. Let me have a little bit more control where that soil goes. Scooping it out that way. It's got some nice little new growth on it too. Now this one will bloom pink. And this last year, on another one I had, I mean, the bloom was just incredibly gorgeous. All right. I'm going to take that, put it like that, and take this. This is soil it's already used to. Stick it around there. And a little soil in the middle. Clean this off. Not doing anything extra with this one. It's going to be very, very simple. There it is. It's pretty. You see, it's got some new growth coming in there. That is great. And, ooh. All right. Peel off of there. Let's get these out this way. Out of the way. Take some of that soil and put it over this way for this guy. If I have some extra soil left, what I'm going to do is add it to that. This is going to end up with just one. I'm probably going to be giving it away too, but that is going to be on another day. So let me get back up. Oh gosh. Okay. Getting back over here on the other end of the table. Those are all the ones that are going to go live somewhere else. So I have this snake plant. A little bit of a challenge moving today. So those are all being given away. Not this guy. But I've got this one snake plant, and this is a snake plant. That's a snake plant. Then the philodendron and another Christmas cactus. Of course, it got the 12 cactus over there. So the next one to be done is, look at that. So you got some really, really nice, strong roots in there. Great start. I had one of these, and it was huge. And so I took some cuttings and I've given them to a few friends, and then a couple to my daughter, and they had grown well, but I couldn't take that big ficus tree with me here into this small space. And I had one that was growing, but I ended up giving that away to somebody that had helped me get up one time with emergency medical, and I gave it to her. I gotta find out how it's doing. But anyway, you can see, I mean, look at those roots that are on there. It's amazing. They're great. And so that's going to be great to get started. Excuse me. So then this is my pot that I chipped. So I saved that for myself. I don't really have anything to go underneath. Let me see if I can get this one. Oh my goodness, I hate coughing. Well, let me leave that there, because this is for me. It doesn't matter if anybody sees that. Actually, nobody's going to see it. I'm going to just have it go there and help keep that plug in the bottom. Let's see, I'm making sure that that is staying fine. All right. Notice that part of the stickers in here. Get that out of there. No, it's just too tight. All right. You did exactly what I didn't want you to do. Spill. Crud. Let's see if I can save any of them. Oh, crud. Oh, well. It was a valiant try. And got a good base there. Alrighty then. Do the soil. The bottom of this bag is pretty moist. But that's alright. Alright, so press that down in there. Right now. That is pretty deep. Oh my goodness. That is very deep. So pull a bunch of this way back. Get a nice good hole in here for it. even deeper. There we go. I have to take this guy off. Shovel. There. Shovel. I can put a little more in here. That's good. Right. So great. See how pretty that is? What an incredible, great start to that.